and its words would look just right. This is sunlight, work on my sunburned old day. The crow in my hand and I don't need any plans to have the time that I'm looking for. The Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. Got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing wiffle ball in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. My body's in the beach, the sunglass dies, nobody knows why. We'd be anywhere else. So when it's harder than hell, we got stories to tell all summer long, with some good songs to sing along. This breeze is too nice to ignore. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for.